Did you notice, and this happens several times throughout the book, his obsession with the back of her neck?
The knob. That is like the worst word you could use.
So it kind of made it sound like a hump. You know what I mean?
Yes, like a jutted out bone on the back of her neck.
Yeah, it
I
was.
couldn't picture it any other way after she said knob.
First of all, I have heard knob used to reference other body parts, but I've
Yeah,
never.
which I don't like it there either.
Not really. Mm-mm. No.